Hey everyone, welcome to Valor's channel. Today I'll show you how to connect MetaTrader 5 to Bybit. First, let's go to Bybit. Here we need to open the trading section. Log in and open an account. An open account looks like this. Next, download MetaTrader 5. Yep, it's pretty simple. Visit metatrader5.com, download and install it. Okay. Now open MetaTrader 5. Click File, then open an account. Bybit won't be listed, just type Bybit to add it. Click Find Company, choose Bybit, then Next. Now log into your account. Here are the accounts. Usually you can open a Bybit Live account, but not now. Enter your password and click Finish. That's it. This was Valor. See you later.